The question is, I am gratefully retired and living here in Florida, which I consider paradise, and one form of paradise.
What is it that you are so grateful that you have cleansed from your experience? Because in gratitude, there always is that cleansing quality.
Yeah.
Appreciation's pure. Gratitude is glad I'm over that.
Yeah. Yeah. I am appreciating.
You're appreciating freedom rather than grateful that you're out of the bondage?
Yes. Yes. Appreciating freedom, yes. And would love to have finances flow so that...
But wait, your finances have been tied to your bondage. What are you going to do about that? Can't have it both ways. I was willing to endure that bondage for money. Now I've given up the bondage, I had to give up the money.